sweetest flower that's grown. You may search everywhere, but none can compare with my wife.
Listen, come on up here. There you go, sure.
Hey, hi. You look wonderful. Hi.
I can't find Donnelly anywhere.
This is I came out here to get a better view, and he seems to have disappeared.
Damn it, I knew this was gonna happen. Grant, Donnelly just split on us completely.
It's bound to happen sooner or later.
What do we do now?
Tell us we can do, Felicia. I called Anna and told her to look for Sean. It's her problem now.
Oh, Sean, my goodness. You do look dapper.
Oh, I thank you, Anna. I hope I'm not interrupting, anything.
No, you don't.
Missed you and Robert at the party.
Oh, I'm sure our absence didn't dampen the festivities any.
No. But judging from your dress, or shall I say lack of it, I guess you're not planning on making an appearance, hmm?
Don't take it personally, will you?
Oh, but I do.
Oh, dear. Well, we'll be along later. I mean, feel free to start without us.
Won't be nearly as much fun.
As you may have gathered, Robert and I are having just as much fun here by ourselves.
Oh, why be so selfish?
Oh, Sean, so embarrassing. I mean, surely you're experienced enough to realize when two people want to spend some time together alone.
Yes, of course. I recognize all the signs immediately.
Good. Then, why don't you...
Actually, this is going to be most unfortunate. What are the rest of the ladies going to say?
Well, let them find their own, then.
No. I meant, we can hardly hold the Gay 90s hat contest without you.
Oh, I'm sure you'll find a way. Actually, Sean, there is something that I want to tell you.
Yes, I think so.
You see, Robert and I, we want to spend some time alone together.
Why?
Do you want me to spell it out for you?
Please do.
All right. Well, Robert, how should I put this?
Put it somewhere, will you, please?
Well, you see, we seem to have found each other again, and we just want to spend some time alone. I mean, I can't really let some silly contest keep us apart again, can I? Hmm? Do you like it?
Cute.
Go where you sure will hear some music grand, sweetest melody in all the land. Every night beneath the southern moon, Uncle Joe would play a raggy tune. Things began to hum.
Grant, isn't there anything we can do for Anna?
Anna knows that Sean is on his way to the hotel. I gave her as much warning as I could. The rest is up to her.
I just hope Robert makes it from the bars in time.
You and me both.
We should have been here by now, don't you think?
Well, who can say? It could take him more than a day to finish his business in Washington.
What if he doesn't get here in time?
If Robert doesn't beat Sean to Anna's hotel room, we can kiss that treasure goodbye.